Hello, dear friends. This physical and chemical changes. Maybe as you know, this physical and chemical changes you studied in lower standard also physical and chemical changes. So, once again, we have to see this in class 9. So, see here, first we are doing differentiate because basic whatever basic information you know about these physical and chemical changes. So see here, first point in physical changes. In a physical changes, only physical properties such as color, physical state, volume, etc. change. So chemical properties remain unchanged. So very much important here. So in C, in a chemical changes, the chemical composition and chemical properties of the reactants undergoes a change. So we will see whatever examples. First, you concentrate on this difference. So in second point in physical, no new substance is formed. So in physical change, no new substance is formed. But in chemical change, a new substance is formed and it has property different from reacting substances. So in third point, no energy in the form of heat, light or sound energy is absorbed or evolved in a physical change. So here, whatever in physical changes, no energy in the form of heat, light, or sound energy is absorbed or evolved in a physical change. But in third, a chemical change is always accompanied by the absorption or evolution of energy in the form of heat, light, or sound energy. So we are using any burner, so we are doing heating. So such type of reaction are taking place. So it may exchange of energies, evolution of energy, something here happen in chemical chain. So in fourth point, the original form of the substance can be obtained easily by simple physical methods. So in physical it can possible so regain its original position, but in chemical chain the original substance cannot be obtained by simple physical methods. Okay, so in say in fifth point, physical change is generally temporary in the sense that it can be easily reversed by reversing the condition. Suppose we reverse the condition, so as you know, example of duff. So we can by simply drying we can reversing that. So see in fifth point, chemical change. It's permanent change. It cannot be reversed by just reversing the condition. So very much important this all difference. Okay, so we will see our next. So examples involving some physical changes. So see here some examples are there. Physical change, observation, and change in physical property. So as you know, we are switching electric bulb in our homes. So switching an electric bulb. So observations, what will happen? The bulb glows and gives out heat and light energy. The physical appearance of the bulb changes. Okay, so very much important is example. So next, rubbing a permanent magnet on steel rod. So the steel rod gets magnetized if it is brought near iron nails. They get attracted. So it is also what physical change. So what you observed is change in physical property. The steel rod acquires the property of attracting piece of that or whatever iron nails. They have capacity to attract that iron nail. So third, action of heat of iodine. So as you know, iodine crystals. First, the brownish gray crystals of iodine changes to form violet vapors. On cooling, the vapors condense on cooler part of the test tube to form crystals again. So basically, they are giving with violet fumes. So here, what will happen? We can say change in state and color. So basically, they are regaining its state. So we are considering this in under physical changes. So see, next, dissolving of common salt in water. The white crystalline salt disappears in water. However, the water tastes exactly like common salt. Moreover, common salt can be recovered by evaporation. So this also what? It is a change of state. But we are regaining our whatever salt by simply evaporation. So some another common examples of physical changes also there. formation of dew, evaporation of water also, crystallization of sugar from its salt solution, ringing of an electric bell, so very much important is. Then breaking of glass, so freezing of ice cream, bending of glass tube by heating, okay, melting of wax, sublimation of camphor, so we can regain whatever original position. So it belongs to what your physical changes. So next we will see some common examples of our chemical changes here. So here also chemical change, observation and equation. So we are here dealing with equation. So see, first burning of magnesium in air. So when a magnesium is heated in a flame of Bunsen burner, it catches a fire and burns with a dazzling white flame to form white ash. So basically, what will happen? This reaction you will get. So we can observe this in our chemistry lab also. Magnesium, whatever magnesium ribbon we suppose heat, so it gives what dazzling white light, and what will form white ash you will get. So magnesium plus O2, that is oxygen, you will get MgO. So it is reaction. So here rusting of iron also, when iron is left exposed to moist air for few days, reddish brown powdery mass, that is what we call that rust, is found on its surface. So iron plus oxygen plus water vapor, that is what rust. So chemical is that rust is what iron oxide only, iron oxide. So see the third, burning of LPG. So when LPG is burned, it burns with a pale blue flame and it liberates colorless gas, that is CO2, along with steam. So steam means what, water only. So basically butane. So this butane is what your alkane part. So this butane, that is what LPG plus oxygen. When we burn this, so it gives what CO2 along with what, water. So that water in the form of what, steam. So see here some a common examples here of chemical changes, that is burning of wood or charcoals, burning of candle also, digestion of food, curdling of milk, formation of biogas, that is all gobar gas, burning of petrol or diesel, drying of paints. It is also chemical change, drying of paint. Okay, because of whatever chemical content present on in the our paint, that is what will happen? It will vaporize because of volatile nature of that paint. So see here, rusting of iron. Now only we saw rusting of iron. Ripening of fruit. It is also what chemical change. Clotting of blood. Fading of the color of the dye clothes. So it is also chemical change. Photosynthesis. So as you know, which metal they are used in photosynthesis? Magnesium metal. So see here, baking of cake, butter turning rancid, rancidity property also chemical change. Then formation of wine, and last electrolysis of water into H2 and O2. That is breaking. Lysis means what? Breaking of water into H2 and O2 by applying some electricity. So these are our physical and chemical change. We discussed prior in lower standard also, but it is in our syllabus. So some extra examples we saw here. So whatever next part we will see in next lecture. Thank you.